Coping renovation for vinyl pools. I'm redoing my older in-ground pool and it has plastic patio coping. This person is wondering if we have that, but the bigger question is, if you find yourself in a position where you have plastic patio coping, how do you identify what it is and where would you try to get some?
So when you say plastic patio coping, two things come to mind. Cafco Manufacturing made a coping that sat on the edge of the pool, the liner attached to, that you poured the patio into. That was plastic. But when they say patio coping, I almost think about a lot of the older vinyl liner pools that had a wood cap, a 2x8, a 2x10 womanized cap, and then there was a full plastic piece that fit around the top with a little wedge on the back. So you had an L piece on the back, you had this coping shaped piece on the front, and you kind of covered all of the wood all the way around. And to me, that's what it sounds like, what I would consider plastic patio coping. I do know that Cinderella Industries, they're out of Saginaw, Michigan. They do make an aluminum top mount coping, which I guess would be called, I would think is what's called patio coping, that could replace that. Although there are some manufacturers still that probably make plastic. I haven't seen it in many years, but when I think about it and when I researched it a number of years ago, it seems like I found it. So for us to be able to give you a better answer, I would probably either need a picture of what we're talking about, and then I could point you in the right direction, because I'm guessing that would be a top cap plastic coping that would go over maybe cinder block, but probably a cinder block or a steel wall with a piece of womanized wood that went around, and then this piece went over the top of that. But to verify, if you could send me a couple pictures, then I could certainly point you in a better direction, but maybe this has been enough and you can use this information to be able to figure it out.